We are here to survey growling grass frogs at Bendigo Water Reclamation Plant. So it's one of the last populations in central Victoria, and it's really a great opportunity to see what they like living in this sort of environment where we've got lots of different habitat types.
We're really lucky here to have quite a permanent source of water and some really good habitat fringing the property, and so the conditions here are quite ideal for growling grass frogs and a lot of other different frog species that inhabit this area too. So we're spotlighting with a series of different lights that will sort of show up eye shine of the frogs, and then we're also doing audio recording where we're putting out basically a microphone with a timer on it, and later on we can listen back to that and see if there are any frogs calling, and we can work out specifically what types of frogs they are, what species they are based on the sounds of their call.
Growling grass frogs are nationally threatened species, and so we have a duty of care to make sure that we look after the biodiversity that's on our plants and make sure operations don't impact on those animals, and hopefully if we can make sure we've got good locations, and it will mean a healthy population that can spread into other areas. So the information we'll collect tonight, we will look at that and see how those frogs have changed, where they've been over the last 2, 3 and 4 years, and see if we can identify some of those important features of those water bodies that might be core breeding areas for them, and what we might need to do in other areas to make them suitable to attract growling grass frogs.